बांदेकर, डॉक्टर डीसा, विकास गावडेकर आमचे जॉईंट सेक्रेटरी, गीता काकोडकर डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर, आमची गौतमी आमचे अंडर सेक्रेटरी आणि डॉक्टर केदार. आणि आज आमची सकाळच्या मिटींग चालूच आसा कशी कितें फुडें वचपाचें, कशी पावलां घेवपाची. कोविड-19 जे आहा हे जे पेंडेमिक, हाऊ टू काउंटर दीस पेंडेमिक. We have had today round the meeting with all our doctors, nodal officers from different hospitals to understand what the present situation is. Last few days also we have been struggling with and ensuring, Secretary has been, Mr. Ravi Dhawan has been ensuring along with other team members to see that the oxygen supply, everything is well within control. And also what we have had meetings about issues with related to our nodal officers so that we are able to smoothen things out and take things forward and ensure that sufficient bed capacity is made. At the moment, as we speak, when we say bed capacity, means the oxygen beds which we are talking about. We are not talking about just plain beds. As a result of which we have to take a full review of what is actually happening. आम्ही आज कितें ठरयलां की गोंयचे जनतेक आनी हे मॉर्टॅलिटी कशी कमी करपाक आम्ही कसली पावलां घेतली. पयर एक्सपर्ट कमिटी जाल्ली, एक्सपर्ट कमिटीची मिटींग एक जाल्ली आनी ते इनिशिएट जाल्ले त्या बरोबर सेक्रेटरी आनी ते कमिटीचे सगळे प्रायव्हेट आनी गव्हर्नमेंट डॉक्टर्स आमची टीम सगळ्यांनी ठरयले की जेन्ना मनीस वयता टेस्टिंग करपाक सो दॅट वी डोंट वेस्ट टायम ऑन द टेस्टिंग एंड अदर थिंग्स, वी इमिजिएटली स्टार्ट द procedure of giving him a strip of with a leaflet with exactly the procedure we followed, a strip of paracetamol, doxycycline and ivermectin, so that we don't wait for any kind of a situation. Because a lot of times if you start this early, and I have also taken doxycycline, it is not affected me. In many places they give it to the frontline workers also. So basically this is one thing that we are starting immediately. In addition, what we are doing, we have seen that in the PHCs, CHCs there is a huge rush for testing and for taking swabs and all, and only the medical officers used to do the swabs. I have traveled all over and I have seen that right from America to many other places, you see that the technician takes, it can be a lab technician, it can be a nurse, it can be a MPHW, it can be ANM. So we have told our doctors to train them. What we want to do in order to make it life easy for the doctors, because they are as it is overburdened. One is, once again, we want to separate out the testing centers from the PHC and CHC, or create a separate place where the testing only takes place. Similarly, monitoring of isolation kits for the positive patients also we have reviewed, so that people receive those isolation kits on time, people can start the treatment, but we are not waiting. So this protocol, Dean will also explain technically on the protocol. हे सगळे करपाक हे सरकारान पावलां घेतल्या, मुख्यमंत्रीच्या मार्गदर्शना सकयल आम्ही सगळे गोष्टी फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. आनी त्याच बरोबर आम्ही कितें ठरयलां की आमचे डॉक्टर पालेकर जे आहा ते सगळे हे होम आयसोलेशनाचे पेशंटाक मॉनिटर करतात, ते स्ट्रिक्ट मॉनिटरिंग करपाची गरज आसा. आनी आमी आतां एक लेटर आमी इश्यू करतले प्रत्येक पेशंटाक, दॅट ही हॅज टू स्ट्रिक्टली एडर टू द SOPs ऑफ होम आयसोलेशन. केन्ना केन्ना लोक होम आयसोलेशन आसता आनी भायर भोंवपाक वयता सगळे कडेन, आनी ताजो प्रॉब्लेम मागीर जाता. आनी म्हणूनच आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन आमकां लोकांचें जीवन जर सुरक्षीत दवरूंक जाय तर वेगवेगळ्या तरेचे SOPs जे आहा बाकीचे सगळ्या गोष्टी खातीर आमकां ते स्ट्रिक्टली मेंटेन करचे पडटले. आनी हे जे स्ट्रिप्स आहा, हे जे आमी सांगला की विथ द लिफलेट which we are trying to give it to people who come for testing, that will from day after tomorrow we'll be making it available for every person who comes for testing, so they can start that treatment protocol immediately without waiting for the report to come. As you are aware that the Goa government is also increasing its testing capacity. It has also tied up with Thyrocare for the time being, so that there is no backlog, and now the backlog also has reduced, and I don't see why we cannot bring it up to date, because with these new machines coming in, also having a tie-up with another agency, we'll be in a better position to take this forward. And most important, as you are aware, that there is a third strain which has come, triple mutant strain जो आयला जे बेंगॉलाक डिटेक्ट जाला. So this is a little worrisome. So we have to be a little careful of what is happening within the state of Goa. आमकां गोंयान काय आमी आतां नवीन मशीन एक घेता, तांकां with that they will be able to detect what strain, genome sequence machine, and तेज्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां ते कळटलें की खंयचे स्ट्रेन आमच्या राज्यान आहा, जो खंयच्यान जर गरज पडल्यार तेचे थोडे पॅरामिटर्स आसता. त्या आधाराचेर ते टेस्टिंग करतले. त्याच बरोबर सांगल्याप्रमाणे IL-6 डी डायमराचे टेस्ट ऑलरेडी चालू झाले जीएमसीन. देन फाल्यांच्यान साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान IL-6 चालू जातले. म्हणजे आमच्या पेशंटाक योग्य तरेचे आमकां लॅब इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करून आमी तेंचेर लक्ष व्यवस्थित आमी दवरूंक शकता. प्रॉब्लेम एक कितें जाला की ट्रॅव्हलर खूप गर्दी करता येवन. So we have decided that travelers, we are not going to be testing travelers. They can go to a private lab and get themselves tested. We'll be testing only people of Goan origin and people who are here for medical reasons who need to be tested. But for traveling purpose, if anyone wants to do testing, that we will not be doing in our PHCs and CHCs in our hospitals, because it increases the burden on the system. Hence, as a result of which, this is the decisions that we have taken. In addition to this, we are ensuring that also we were talking, Secretary myself, we were discussing and taking the view of our Under Secretary and others also suggesting, she was also suggesting is that having paid quarantine facilities which are there. So there are some people who don't want to be at home under isolation. So they can be identified, notified, paid quarantine centers, because if you notice now, with all over the country, people don't want to travel. And there may be some 3-star, 2-star, based on a budget. If there are some notified centers, then perhaps people can go and opt and use that. Perhaps it will become a business opportunity for those people. Instead of keeping it idle, it will help them earn some revenue. And person can also get an independent isolation center for use. But it should come as a comprehensive package, so that will be discussed. We'll come out with what we want to do on that. And similarly, if somebody doesn't want a government quarantine and he wants to opt for a private, like if you go to Singapore, if you want a 5-star accommodation, you pay X amount of money. Then they allot whichever hotel they have under their list. If you want a 4-star category, you have to identify that. Then you can allot whatever you want. So people have to come forward. So if somebody wants in the present situation, perhaps that could be a good suggestion. A lot of times people find it very hard to home isolate in the house, and as a result the family gets infected. So it depends on person to person, and as a result of which we are taking these steps. And I think with these steps which we have taken, we are also working on commissioning about 150 beds in the super specialty hospital and new super specialty block. I think in another 2-3 days we should be able to commission at least 150 oxygen beds. So today evening, I think Secretary will also visit. Secretary has already visited. I will also visit. And what is that? आणि ICU बेड्स ते असतले, म्हणजे ते ऑक्सिजन आणि सगळे मॉनिटरिंग करून आम्ही थंय आणि एक 150 कॅपॅसिटीची आम्ही कांसावली पूर्णपणे हॉस्पिटल विल बी ओनली फॉर कोविड. त्याच तरेन ह्या तरेन बेड कॅपॅसिटी वाडोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू. खंयच लोकांक कमी पडची न्हू बेडाची. आणि त्याच बरोबर म्हापशा हॉस्पिटलांत 150 बेडाचे आम्ही ठरयला हे करपाक 150 बेड्स इन द आझिलो हॉस्पिटल. So basically this is what we have discussed today throughout the day. एक्सपर्ट्साचे बी ओपिनियन तेंचे आमी घेतले. ह्या तरेची गोष्टी आमी करूंक सोदता. तेंचे बी मत आशिल्ले की ते बरे डिसिजन आहा. ह्या तरेन आमी फुडें वचूंक जाय. मॉर्टॅलिटी कशी कमी करपाची हेजेर बी चर्चा जाली आनी आमकां कितें करूंक जाय तें आमी डिस्कस केला. त्याच तरेन स्ट्रिक्ट मॉनिटरींग आनी डेथ ऑडिट डील करताच. त्याच तरेन कितें जाता की लोकांनी टायमशीर तुम्ही पळयला की खूपसो लोक 24 वरां भितर एक्सपायर जाता, कारण दे कम एट अ क्रिटिकल स्टेज. एज अ रिजल्ट इट बिकम्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू गिव देम एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट बिकॉज दे ऑलरेडी lungs are damaged and they are in a very bad position. And we don't want to lose people. Hence, as a result of it, we want people to come in time and immediately identify themselves to the authorities, to the doctors, so that we can give them appropriate treatment. तुमका ते जे सांगून ते प्रोटोकॉल, मेडिकल प्रोटोकॉल, होम आयसोलेशन, टेस्टिंग.
आता जे आम्ही पळयले की आताची जी स्ट्रेन आसा डबल म्युटंट, दिस स्ट्रेन इज रियली डिफरंट स्ट्रेन. आमचे जेन्ना फर्स्ट वेव आयलो तेन्ना इन्फेक्टिविटी इतली नासली, प्लस ते प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ डिजीजूय चड नासली. सो आमी कितें ठरयलां आतां की पर्सन्स हू कम फॉर टेस्टिंग तेन्नाच तांचे वील ट्राय टू डू अ प्रोफिलॅक्सीस कायंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट. म्हणजे कितें आता जो कोण टेस्टिंगाक येता, either he comes because he is exposed to some COVID patient or he feels that he should test because he has some symptom. So there are two categories. अशे दोन कॅटेगरीचे लोक आसतले जेंका टेस्टिंगाक तेने सॅम्पल दिला आणि सिम्पटम्स ना. ह्या मनशाक सुद्धा आम्ही प्रोफिलॅक्सिस त्याच्या हातान दितले. कितें दितले आम्ही? पॅरासिटामॉल, आयव्हरमॅक्टिन अँड डॉक्सिसायक्लिन. आणि त्याच्या बरोबर ताका एक पॅम्फलेट दितले आम्ही की हे तुवें दवरप तुझ्याकडे. सपोज तुका जर फिवर सिम्पटम्स आयले आणि कितें आयले जाल्यार खोकली आयली जाल्यार ताणें तें स्टार्ट करप. तोपर्यंत ताणें स्टार्ट करप ना आणि जोपर्यंत ताचो रिपोर्ट येना आनी ताचो रिपोर्ट पॉझिटिव्ह आयलो ताणें डेफिनेटली घेवप. अशेंच एक दुसरी कॅटेगरी आसा की तातूंत पेशंटाक सिम्पटम्स आसा पूण ताचो रिपोर्ट रेडी ना. त्याने रिपोर्ट दिला आणि ही हॅज टू वेट फॉर सपोज 48 hours 24 hours. ताका सिम्पटम्स आसा त्याने डायरेक्टली ही मेडिसिन स्टार्ट करची. ह्या मेडिसिनाची एडवांटेज कितें की it will reduce the severity of the disease and you will not get into a critical stage. म्हणजे हो जो प्रोटोकॉल आम्ही केला, this is in consultation with almost all doctors, private doctors, experts in pulmonary medicine, experts in general medicine, असे सगळे सिनियर लोक बसून हो प्रोटोकॉल केला. आणि हो प्रोटोकॉल फाल्यांच्यान जे कोण टेस्टिंगाक येतले तांकां सगळ्यांक दिले जातले औषध. हे मेडिसिन दितले थ्रू DHS. हो एक इम्पॉर्टंट स्टेप घेतला गव्हर्नमेंटान सो दॅट होम आयसोलेशन म्हणजे जे लोक क्रिटिकल जाता ज्यांची इन्फेक्टिव्हिटी वाडटा हांचेर बरोच कंट्रोल येतलो. सो क्रिटिकॅलिटी विल बी रेड्यूस्ड.
टेस्टिंग केल्यानंतर बहुतेक घरी राहत नाही, ते फिरत राहतात टेस्टिंग केल्यानंतर. पण ते पॉझिटिव्ह असतील नेगेटिव्ह असतील हे नंतर रिपोर्ट आल्यानंतरच कळतं. त्यामुळे ह्या लोकांनी बाहेर फिरतात त्यांच्यावर कसं कंट्रोल ठेवणार?
नाही, आम्ही आता किती सांगला, जो मनीस टेस्टिंगाक वता न्ही ताका दिसला आपण एक्सपोज जाला आणि आपणाक सिम्पटम्स आसा, ह्या मनशान टील रिपोर्ट कम्स ही हॅज टू आयसोलेट हिमसेल्फ. आता आयसोलेशनान कितें जाता एक एक फावटी की आम्ही आयसोलेट जाता पण घरान आयसोलेशन तशी फॅसिलिटी आसना. कित्याक एक सेपरेट वॉशरूम जाय, सेपरेट तो डायनिंग करता सगळ्या बरोबर आणि ते स्प्रेड जाता. म्हणून एव्हरीवेअर वी हॅव सीन फॅमिलीन एक मनीस जरी पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्यार सगळी फॅमिली मेंबर पॉझिटिव्ह जाता. तितून थंय दोनूच गोष्टी आमी लक्षात घेवंक जाय की ताका सेपरेट वॉशरूम अँड दे शूड नॉट डायन ऑन सेम टेबल. कित्याक आमी जेन्ना जेवता बरोबर बसून तेन्ना कोणूच मास्क घालना and there is a highest, that incidence causes highest rate of transmission. So ही दोन गोष्टी जर आम्ही केअर घेतली जाल्यार ही ट्रान्समिशन जायना. आता अशा लोकांक जेंका ही फॅसिलिटी ना, they can come to COVID care center. This is what we have discussed with nodal officer. आणि ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान सांगला की अशा लोकांक आम्ही कोविड केअर सेंटरान हाडून तांकां थंय आयसोलेशन दिवचे कित्याक थंय सगळेच पॉझिटिव्ह असता.
But what are you doing to, Minister? Can you tell us what are you doing so that the reports come the same day? Because you have been saying constantly that whenever due to delay of reporting,
I want to just why we have just now secretary had a
if the report comes after 5 days,
No,
how are you supposed to?
1 minute. Let me
the patient came late. How can you say?
Like the patient came late, so as a result of which we are also understanding what is happening. Secretary just mentioned just now during this course of this press conference is that what Dean has just mentioned, the type of leaflets and the medication that will be given minute a person comes for testing. So we are not going to wait for that. Immediately, how do you pronounce it? Prophylaxis. The treatment. So basically, when a person comes for testing, immediately. Now the backlog was very high because we had a tremendous amount of load on the system. Today we have tied up with Thyrocare also, which is a private agency. In addition, we are getting 5 more machines. So I don't see with these additional 5 more machines and tying up with one agency, you will have any reason to have. At the moment, the backlog, which was at one point of time around 3,000, 3,500, has come to less than 1,500 as we speak. And what you are
The
saying
bulletin
is
doesn't show the pending.
pending cases are like 1500-1600 ki
The bulletin should have it, sir.
1,600. We will not keep any figure hidden from the media. 1,600. And second thing is that in order, after discussing with private doctors and for doctors from the medical fraternity from private and government, they said that we should use this protocol. So as a result of which this was initiated the other day, as a result of which this discussion, meeting was chaired by the Secretary Health, and they have come out with this treatment protocol which is being followed in other states also, so that we don't have to wait for that report to come. But same time we are working because the machines which are ordered, the 5 machines, this will come this week because they have to be, machines have to reach us, they have to be imported, and these machines have capacity of about 900 tests per day. So with this, an existing setup of infrastructure that we have got of TrueNet, Molbio, Abbott, I think there shouldn't be any issue pertaining to backlog. In case of testing also, why we have removed travelers out of this? Because travelers overburden the system. Instead, we should look at people just for traveling purpose. Those become a huge chunk. As a result, we have said they can go to any private this thing to do. Government will not do it. Hence, what you said, this is the way we have decided to approach the problem.
Sir, one minute. Sir, what is the status of oxygen cylinders?
Oxygen at the moment we had a slight issue because it's being rationalized by overall rationalized not by us, with general rationalizers all over the country. So now I don't see any problem.
Sir, but in January we were allotted 2 plants. Why was it delayed? Why were we sleeping for 4 months? Sir?
See, listen, there are so many issues. Nobody is sleeping for it. There are certain formalities that you have to complete.
So now you are saying within 15 days you will be coming out with the first plant. So why were we waiting for 4 months for this?
Yes.
These plants are coming from Government of India. It is not our state one.
It is not
The Government of India
they
plants.
have to-
They have done tendering, everything, identified the regional wise agencies, and now they have identified the agency, and that agency has been given the contract, and they will be coming. They said the Government of India teams will be coming and installing in 15 days. That's what they said.
Sir, another question on oxygen is the doctors have alleged that the oxygen supplied by SCOOP is half or mostly empty.
See,
what do you have to say about it?
There is nobody who can cheat the government, as a result of which there are officers, IAS officers who have been put on the job to monitor it very strictly. There is a person of JMC also who was put in that thing now, the whole team. And Dean also will give an explanation. Chief Secretary also is personally monitoring the availability of oxygen.
But why was
And
SCOOP only
also-
the sole supplier, sir, for all these years?
Nobody is the sole supplier. There's a tender. If somebody gets a tender,
Sir, just one, sir, he was nobody
I
else
was-
was there to supply oxygen.
No, there was
Why
nobody-
was Govind Poi stopped?
Arey Baba, listen to me. Nobody has stopped anybody. I was there for the meeting when we asked, collectors were there for the meeting when we wanted additional oxygen. So he was asking that please pay me money immediately. Now he's on board because people from the
Sir,
private
now
sector.
we have put a gun on his shoulder, on his
No,
head,
listen,
and
no,
told him to
I
supply.
can't,
sir.
see, listen to me. Whether the government puts a gun on somebody's head or when it is a critical situation in all over the country, the states are acting in the interest of the public. Whether you consider it a gun on somebody's head, that I cannot give explanation to that. There is a disaster management committee which monitors all that. It doesn't come under me.
So how do you see that the private hospitals? Don't you think that there should be a asthma on them also to make this come down?
Because
On
we had a meeting the other day. I think that meeting we had in the cabinet also it was discussed. Already private sector hospitals, chief minister also discussed with them, the private sector, IMA and everybody. Already we have reduced the rates much more than what we did last year by about 20% plus. And also voluntarily they have come forward to give beds. So nearly about 250 beds were identified for us for they themselves have given, because a person who goes to a private sector has to pay as per the package. So another additional 250 beds. But same time government is also increasing the number also now to do 150 beds in Goa Medical College, new super specialty block. It involves a lot of logistics. We require a lot of equipment, lot of things, lot of manpower. When we put our ad, Dr. Disa will tell you, when we put an ad for medical officers, not a single person, medical MBBS officer, doctor came for that interview. As a result, it is a very tough thing. It's not from where I'll just create doctors and additional nurses you'll get, other people you'll get, but to get technical staff and that type is very tough. But still we are managing. Now we have taken Irish doctors and all to report under the medical doctors, MBBS, so that they can supervise what the doctor
but
does.
this point of time of pandemic, I think the doctors should have come forward. It's a noble service.
Then I
they
can't-
should.
I can't,
But government should take action because you all
No,
subsidize
but how
them
can
in
I
the
force
hospital.
somebody to join service?
So, but
Under the
yesterday you had
Disaster
2 to
Management
8.
Act, I think the government has the powers to call the IMA doctors. At least 100 doctors from
I
their
think
side.
Chief Minister has already interacted with them, no? They
But
have
I
been
think
there.
that's what I
Government.
heard. They are not willing for a full time, like 1 month, 2 months. I think they can offer their services, not all, but at least 50 of them.
But you can't force somebody to do
But I
something.
think under
Then
the
we have to
Disaster
say.
Management Act, government has the powers to call it is.
At the moment, we are doing with a team of experts.
Because I don't think it's a rise. This rate, the cases are rising, so I don't think it is possible for the government doctors, like, to give a quality service to the patient.
No, but private doctors also have the patients, COVID patients, they're dealing with
Not
COVID
all
patients.
of them.
No,
And
but
the
most-
one more thing,
most-
Mr. Rani, sorry for interrupting you. I think the government should, DHS should give the names of the hospital, private hospital, and the availability of beds, even the government, so that people are
We can
not-
do that. We'll do that. I'll tell them to do it. I'll send
Please
them
do
a
it,
note to
because
them.
anybody wants, they can.
Which are the
Yes.
hospitals and which are number of beds?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
we'll do that.
every day updates should be given.
Yeah, but check what they add to the account.
Sir, yesterday your barrage of tweets on the about lockdown and the 200.
I'll give you explanation. One
No,
minute.
but
Let me-
about
I
200
understood what you want to
No,
ask.
just let me finish.
Yeah.
You have 200 and 200 to 300
Listen
people
to
dying.
me.
That
At the
created a
moment-
flutter all over the state.
One minute.
People have been
listen
demanding
to me.
doctors.
First of all, just hear this very carefully.
Yeah.
Every day we are losing about 20-25 people.
Yeah.
Yesterday it was 38 people. I am the one who gets the calls for number of people for bed. As I am speaking to, I am getting 101 messages. I have to wake up the dean even at 12:30, 1 o'clock in the night. It's not easy to deal with a situation like this. There are multiple ways of interpreting what you want to say, and we don't want to lose these people. When we see just now, I was talking to Dr. Oscar also, he was telling me is that he finds it sad to see a person of 31 years or 25 years on a HFNO machine. And also second thing is, it is a matter of concern. When you say lockdown, I didn't mean lockdown means you lock down the whole state. Essential commodities like pharma and all these things will all continue. As far as interpretation is where there are super spreader areas and super spreader, those restrictions should become very strict and tough. Because ultimately the health system is getting overloaded. And as a result of which we have to find different ways of moving forward. I don't think you have gone through all my tweets right from the beginning. I've been appealing to all the people, it is not acceptable to lose the life of a person of 25 years. I said you must report immediately to the PHCCHO or to the hospital so that you can get appropriate treatment.
So, but
And also, I'm coming there. There, as a result of which, what I said is, this way it goes like this, there is a possibility we may lose so many lives, and we don't want to lose those lives. You take every day, there's so many critical patients in the hospital.
But did you say
As
200 to
and-
300 people a day?
For
I
the-
did not say
What-
per day.
what the
I
news
said,
talks about the news,
I said over the next 15-20 days, if like this we do not act on those patients on time, and we do not get those patients. Dean is sitting here out of 38 patients. More than every time, if you take an average, more than there will be 12-13 patients who come within a day or two and pass away in the hospital. As a result of which, these come last minute to the hospital. There was a boy, that 25-year-old boy, 10 days he was at home. 10 days he was at home. He came in a critical stage to Goa Medical College. We were not in a position to give him treatment.
So
Whatever
that
treatment
200
he
to
was
300
not.
statement was wrong. Means it was
per day,
misinterpreted.
per day death.
ना पर डे ना ते
But तुम्ही-
15 ते 20 दिसान आम्ही जर हे कंट्रोलान हाडूंक ना आमकां ते जबाबदारी आसा सरकार म्हणून ते हाडपाक आणि हांव हेल्थ मिनिस्टर असल्या कारणान म्हाका म्हाजेर बी जबाबदारी आहा कारण लोक आमकां फोन मारतात आमकां खंय कितें कमी जाल्यार लास्टाक दोश आमकांच येतलो
Sir, but
म्हणून
your tweets say that there is
Well,
no
I-
unanimity between you and CM on this issue, sir.
listen to me, like you have always liked a controversy and I can't give you opportunity for controversy. You love controversies. So
That's-
basically
that's what I
that's
was-
your style of questioning me, you can question. What I try to express, I am a minister in the government of Dr. Pramod Sawant. I can express my view, but ultimately he needs to take, I've always said he needs to take an overall view, but I still strongly believe, when you say lockdown, it doesn't mean shut industries. All other places, industries are running. But also second time, strict restrictions are required in a different way, where without disrupting people's movement, restriction on movement is a must. A restriction on movement has to be there. Restriction on movement does not mean that you shut down everything, but restriction on movement in certain areas where you feel that can become a super spreader issue is required. That is what I was trying to say, because ultimately you must understand, we are here to serve the Goan people. And second thing is that the system is getting overloaded. And we are here running helter-skelter trying to see that we are able to create the beds for the people. We are trying to see that we have equipment also. If he has to buy so much of equipment and provide. But simply you cannot I cannot take the super specialty block and just put beds there. I need staff. I need beds. I need oxygen provision there. That's the ICU, 150 bedded sort of a semi-ICU is creating in that hospital in the next 2 days.
Sir, so then it is better you discuss it with CM than
No,
going to
listen.
the public platform.
I don't need your permission, neither anybody's permission to express my views and opinion. I have a party that
So
I
it
belong
gives a
to.
totally different
No,
picture.
no,
that
it's not
there is no
different.
unity
No,
within the
listen,
same.
I can't continue on this subject. The reason is, one minute, is that everybody has a right to express his view. And as a citizen, first as a citizen, then as a health minister, you can express what your view is. Everybody in a democratic setup can give his view. That does not mean that it is to be accepted or rejected. Ultimately, we are all accountable to the people of the state of Goa. And each one has a different perspective of looking at things. I have a different perspective of looking at things. That does not mean there is a difference of opinion.
मिनिस्टर तुम्ही ट्विट केल्या मागीर सीएमाकडे तुमचे कितें इंटरेक्शन जाले काय कारण आता मी सीएमाकडे उलयलो सो सीएमान म्हणले आपल्याक फक्त सोशल मीडियाच्यान ते येयला पूण पर्सनली तुमच्याकडे कांयच उलोवप जायना
तुमचे व्ह्यूज म्हटलं तर फक्त सोशल मीडियाचेर वागता म्हणपा लागलो सीएम पर्सनली तुमची मीटिंग जावन
सर आता मे सर एक मे पासून जेन्ना आता ओपन जातले न्ही ते मातशे फुडें सांगा लोकांक पीपल आर क्युरियस हाऊ टू गेट रजिस्टर्ड वेन विल द रजिस्ट्रेशन
आम्ही सगळे सांगतले नाही. You want to talk about the vaccination protocol? Who's handling? You can mention.
As far as vaccination is concerned, from 1st May, Government of India will be giving only 50% of the quota for us. I mean only for 45 plus and above. 45 plus and above, that will continue for with the quota which is the Government of India is going to supply to us. Rest of the beneficiaries will get from the state. Now the state has already placed the order for 5 lakhs of doses to cover up less than 45, 18 to 45. But as per the information that we got from Serum Institute, they are not in position to supply at present because they have to do a lot of commitments for Government of India. So they will fulfill the commitments of Government of India and then they will supply to us. So that may take some time. That is the information that is given by Serum Institute and our senior colleagues, our authorities, higher authorities. They are in constant touch with Serum Institute to give us as early as possible this doses so that we can take up 18 to 45 as well.
So the rate means from first onwards, sir, from first
Depending
onwards.
upon the vaccine, the moment the vaccine doses come to us, if they come before us, we will start with the 18.
Not from the 1st of May, correct?
First, that is the supply has to come, no? From Serum.
No, but I
Yeah, the moment we get the doses, we will roll out for 1845. Now, what doses the Government of India is giving, that is strictly the Government of India said that it will be only for 45 plus.
So it is happening on 1st of May or not happening on 1st of May?
As per the supply, see, without a vaccine, how can you go for that?
We are just
So the
hardly
moment-
few days, that's why I'm asking you because
Yeah,
people
that's
are
what we
curious,
are-
people wants to know.
We are pursuing that matter with the Government of with Serum Institute to give us this
So
vaccine.
order has been placed only with the Serum India.
Yeah, we are trying with Covaxin also, but they also have the commitment. They have not responded to us as yet.
And there has to be a prior registration and slots would be given. How do people get to health
Yeah, that modalities will be working as per the portal guidelines we will be receiving by 30th of April from Government of India. See, we about the registration, about the modalities, about the operational. So everything comes because every entry has to go into the portal. So those we are getting from Government of India.
Can you please clarify on the total the ICU bed capacity of the state and what would be your requirement for the next 2 weeks?
Now, the kind of admissions we are getting this time, we require more of critical beds. Okay, because this second wave is far different from the first wave. We must understand, and as Suraj also said, that the oxygen requirement this time has been much multifold. We were having the same setup when we had a first wave, but that time our oxygen requirement, our ventilator requirement was not so much. Why this is happening? Because this is a double mutant strain which has high infectivity and the progression of the disease is faster. Now, in keeping this in mind, now we are also trying to cope up with the demand. Right now, I must be having more than 200 patients on oxygen, and those who can't get through manifold. See, whenever you design your house also, you design for X number of family members. So when GMC was designed, the medical block was designed, the manifold was made with certain caliber of the pipes. As he was saying, some doctors are saying oxygen pressure is up. I don't think everybody has to understand that the kind of oxygen demand that we have now, it was never there in Goa and it will never be there in future also, who knows. But right now we are going through a stage where we require a lot of oxygen. And that is the reason Honorable Minister thought of going for a super specialty, because super specialty again, it is being a modern hospital, it has got a tank of 20,000 liquid oxygen. It has also got manifold about 150 ICU beds. Now, once you put 150 ICU beds, that will suck the oxygen from the tank. See, this is a technicality, because those pipes which supply the manifold, through manifold, is meant for 150 beds. Now, suppose if I put 300 beds there, definitely the pressure will be little less. So, you should not say that doctors are complaining. Doctors need to understand, and all of you need to understand, because if we give a wrong message in society, it will create a panic in the public saying that there is no oxygen. Right now, oxygen is totally monitored by an IAS officer named Kunal. He was a CEO, he was an election commissioner. It is everything that comes to GMC, including each trolley. Let us not talk of any company or anything. Each trolley is counted by him. Every supply is counted by him. So let us not put this panic. Wherever we can't get manifold to live up to our expectation, we are putting bedside cylinders. We are putting jumbo cylinders. So patients are getting oxygen. The need is
ICU beds, total ICU beds you have.
right now we have commissioned 145, which was earlier a COVID ward, has now become critical ward. So there are all ventilated beds. 146, 20 ventilated beds. 147 actually is 28 beds, but we have more patients. Some of the patients are on trolley with oxygen. So this is a fact which I am sharing. You can also go and see. 143 we started as ICU bed again. 113, 115. I made an additional during that first wave. Each bed was given an ICU port, oxygen port. So we increase manifolds there also. But what happens is the manifold pipeline is of the certain demand. You understood me? So we must understand that it is a technicality. If you are designing your manifold for 150 beds and you are supplying 200 beds, definitely at certain pressure, but pressure is always maintained. Maybe sometimes when you change the trolley for about a minute, pressure may go down. But that should not be a concern to anybody.
So
right now we have almost 232 oxygen beds in GMC out of 393 patients admitted. You imagine the kind of oxygen that we are consuming.
Sir, what is the oxygen that has been required per day, and what is the storage at present?
See, we on an average, yesterday's I'll tell you, we are using 40 trolleys of 48 jumbo cylinder in one trolley. The one jumbo cylinder gives you 7 cubic millimeter of liquid oxygen, which is 6,000 gaseous oxygen. 6,000 liters of gaseous oxygen. So the amount of oxygen, now see, when you take a ventilator, you need 10 liters oxygen per patient per minute. If you use HFNO, you need 60 liters of oxygen per patient per minute. And if you just use a nasal mask or nasal prong, you need 6 liters of oxygen per patient per minute. So imagine if I have 200 patients and you multiply, because it's very difficult to give you now figures. If I tell you HFNOs, right now we are using few, but there are a lot of patients on ventilator. Why they are on ventilator? Because they have come with very advanced CT severity score. This is exactly what we want to tell through media, to please don't wait till you become critical. None of the best ICUs in the world can save you. That is why even the death rate in New York used to be very high, because they always came with CORAD score of more than 15. We are getting CORAD score of more than 20. You come and see each of my death. You can see the CT yourself. Everybody who has died within 24 hours has come with a score more than 20 and 22 out of 25. Now, who can save? The lungs have become very, very...
Doctors, but reports they get, if they test, they get reports only after 4 days.
These reports you are talking of RT-PCR, for which I told you we have designed a protocol. I agree with you, but that backlog is also cleared by government yesterday.
Sir, you are not
Now, once
answering.
I'll just finish it. But if somebody, see, there are cases where RT-PCR need not be looked at. If somebody is breathless, symptomatic, we do CT scan every day. We are doing 300 odd CT scan. So in a CT scan, if you pick up something like score 7, you can definitely save this patient. But if he comes with a score himself at 20, who can save? Even the best ICUs cannot save. So please understand, there should be no misunderstanding amongst the public, amongst the media. You should help us to help patients.
Sir, those are the double mutant stem. Any more samples are sent for genomic analysis?
We have, I think this Utkarsh will tell you. Utkarsh has been in connection with NIV Pune.
Sir, before that, you have not answered my question. I have asked
the consumption of oxygen.
Yeah, consumption of oxygen per day and the storage that you have at present for the
See,
Stock
we-
what you have.
stock.
Right now, I told you we are using 40 trolleys
No,
per
that
day.
you have speaking technically, sir. The common person will not understand how much liters of oxygen.
Liters also I'll give you. It is 1 crore liters of oxygen per day is required as of today. And we are projecting 3 times. We might require 3 crore liters. I'll send you that full calculation which I have done whole night. If you want, I'll
Yeah.
send you personally.
Okay.
You also try and understand the kind of oxygen that we need now. It is not we only, it is the whole country.
1 crore is GMC only.
GMC only, I'm talking of GMC.
आणि आमच्याकडे असं तिथलं
Right now, with all these interventions of the government and getting, sir has also got some connections in
आम्ही
the
कल्याणच्या
Karnataka.
नेता कोल्हापूरच्या नेता
So we are getting enough supply.
From Kolhapur also started coming.
under government of India, chief secretary so he is monitoring that.
गोंयान ऑक्सिजन ना म्हणून एकटो तरी पेशंट मेला
तशें काय
आमचे
जावं
ऍडमिट करून बी
There is no such incidents that are happening.
ड्यू टू ऑक्सिजन
आणि कितें आहा तें टँकर आनी लिक्वीड ऑक्सिजन हांकां गरज पडटा सगळ्यांक दोन्ही मॅन्युफॅक्चरांक आनी ते सगळे करपाक आतां ऑफिसरांची एक ग्रुप घातलेलो आसा इवन श्वेतिका संचार म्हणून डायरेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज शी इज ऑल्सो कॉर्डिनेटिंग oxygen procurement. Yesterday, Puneet Goyal has talked to Government of India for giving us additional quota of oxygen. So once the liquid oxygen comes, then you can pick it up from anybody you want. Then you can directly fill it into the tank.
आमची tank
आमच्याकडे ते 5,000ची टँक हा खंय
साऊथ
गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल हांगा 20,000ची टँक हा मागीर त्या प्रमाणे आमकां ते सोंपें पडटलें मागीर ऑटोमॅटिकली इट गोज इनटू द मॅनिफोल्ड टू द टँक सप्लाय.
See, what Dr. Dean sir has said is that regarding only about the Goa Medical College. Besides this, we have got South Goa District Hospital where we require another 20 trolleys per day. We have got ESI where we require another 2 trolleys. We have got SDH Ponda where we require another 2 trolleys. Each trolley gives you 336 cubic meters of oxygen. So you can multiply the number of trolleys into this 336 cubic meters of oxygen. Besides this, we are using cylinder oxygen. We are using 1.6 cubic meter cylinders is small, hundreds of 1.6 cubic meters, and we also use the jumbo where it is the 7 cubic meter cylinders. So this overall is the consumption that is done for the whole state of Goa. Besides, I'm not talking about the private sector, I'm talking only about the government sector hospitals. So each trolley gives you 336 cubic meters of oxygen.
About genomic study, almost more than around 22 samples are still pending from NIB Pune, and this is the reason why our honorable minister was asking about that we are trying to get this machine as early as possible. Now our latest sample which had gone were in the first week of April, and till now the reports are pending. So the last report what we have received were only those 4, which everybody is aware about. After that we have not received any reports.
At present, how many are pending?
Around 22.
सर ये दो नेबर स्टेट महाराष्ट्र और कर्नाटक में लॉकडाउन किया है, आपको क्या लगता है कि
मैंने अभी सब बोल दिया.
सर गोवा में करना जरूरी है?
I said one sentence, the restriction on movement in areas where you can consider even to be super spreader. That's all.
बॉर्डर पे भी कुछ क्या स्ट्रिक्टली कुछ
You can't do it. It's practically not possible.
सर ये वैक्सीन लेके कोई ऐसा डेथ हुआ ऐसा लग गोवा
Vaccine
में?
का death नहीं हुआ है. Not even a single one.
ओके
नाही
You
सर
could
हे
have
जे
one effect.
पॉझिटिव्ह येता पळय आनी तातूंत कितले जाणांनी वॅक्सिन घेतलेली अशें कितें कळटा फर्स्ट डोस बी
आपल्या दिसांनी आनी वॅक्सिन घेतलेलं आमच्याकडे तुझ्याकडे असतले
That's
स्टेटस
good.
Sir, government of India has published the data. All India data is published by government.
ऑल इंडिया डेटा विकास सांगता गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज पब्लिश द डेटा ऑन दिस
ICMR has published. They have published.
फर्स्ट डोस घेऊन जाता सर
I mean, at least you should.
झाल्या काय बाबा किती आगात किती अमेरिकन
Positive.
झालं
Just positive.
पॉझिटिव्ह झालं
Very much positive.
Yeah.
Positive.
They get full infected simultaneously.
After one dose, there are cases of death.
No, there is no case of death here with connected to the vaccine. Second thing is that दोन्ही वॅक्सिन घेतल्या मनीस पॉझिटिव्ह झाल्या हांगाच कित्याक न्यूयॉर्काक बी झाल्या
पॉझिटिव्ह न्ही
ना.
सर एक कारण लोकां खातीर हो प्रश्न की फर्स्ट वॅक्सिन घेऊन लोकांक मरण आयला कोविडान काय येवन
ना आमच्याकडे ना case.
नॉट अ सिंगल पर्सन हू हॅज टेकन वॅक्सिन हॅज डायड
दॅट इज द अदर साइड ऑफ द कॉइन आय वुड लाईक टू शेअर आम्ही हालीच एक आमचेच डॉक्टर्स पहिले बोथ डोसेस घेऊन दे हॅव बिकम पॉझिटिव्ह but their symptoms were there only for 2-3 days, very mild symptoms, loss of taste, smell, little fever. They never got lung involvement. This is very important. So if vaccine can prevent our lung involvement also, it is worth taking vaccine. Because vaccine doesn't give you 100% protection, it will give you 70-75%. No?
Yes.
So that infectivity nobody can stop. If there is a mutant strain, you will get a positive test, the RT-PCR, but your course of disease is very mild. This we have to convey to all the people.
मॉरिचेना न्ही इतले
Nobody has died, no?
सर ये ट्रैवल लोगों की क्यों प्राइवेट में करना पड़ रहा है क्यों
लोड
क्या
पड रहा आहे सिस्टम
क्या प्रॉब्लेम
आमच्या सिस्टमाचे लोड वाढवून जाल्ले चडशे ट्रॅव्हलर्स जेन्युइन जे केस आसा ट्रॅव्हलिंग करपाक तो प्रायवेटान
बंद करू
That's why we have reduced.